old hair. Hey, look. It's big enough. It could be a fro. Alright, put it in the bag. Nope. Like my hairdo? Like my hairdo? Yep. Well, you guys, I'm about to do it. I'm getting tired of it. This natural hair journey. Honestly, I just think I want to go and try something new and different. This is my big chop. This has been in the past, my big chop has been traumatic for me. You've seen me with my hair shorter. And the reason why it was traumatic was because it was when I was younger and I really didn't have a choice. It was something that was done to me by my mother. And I'm not blaming or let's put it this way. Us parents don't always know what's best for a child or what a child's going through. So my mother, she viewed my hair as something that had to be maintained and kept, and something that was a pain for her because she, really, she could do hair, but she's not really into hair. So when I came home, I had to be about 11. And I was always known for my hair. My hair was long. My hair was long all the way down my back. You already see the texture is kind of wavy. Yeah, kind of froey, but it was wavy and never curled like a fro. It did this. So my mother went ahead and I used to go to the pool. My hair naturally had a blondish hue. And because it was brown with like a blondish tint or overcast, I always had, how can I put it? I had, it's hard for me to talk about it, but I had, I went to the pool all the time, and because I went to the pool all the time, my hair appeared green, and because of that, she shaved my hair off. So that's why it was traumatic. It was at 11. Yes, I was in elementary school. I think it was in 7th grade or 6th grade, so nobody really was walking around with a bald head, but I'm tired of it. So me now you figure 11, me now at 44, I'm going to shave all this off. It has been a while since I've done something like that. So this is going to be an extreme. Yep, I'm even going with a bare blade. And I'm just going to go ahead and do it. Cut my hair off. Whoa. No grow back. Well, here we go.
You woulda, I need to see what inside my phone. Vendetta thing on drown. Full of gal can't done. But me nah pressure none. Nah run nobody down, me rather